Hello students, now we are going to study about the properties of addition and subtraction of integers. We have four properties. First is we have closure. Second, commutative property. Third, associative property. Fourth, additive identity. In this video, we are going to study about closure. We have two things, closure under addition and closure under subtraction. First of all, let's understand what is closure under addition. प्रीवियस क्लास में जब हमने होल नंबर पढ़ा था देन वी नो कि कभी भी दो होल नंबर का जो सम होता है वो हमेशा एक होल नंबर होता है. तो यही हमें इंटीजर्स के लिए चेक करना है कि जब हम इंटीजर्स का किसी भी दो इंटीजर का सम करेंगे तो हमारा रिजल्ट एक इंटीजर होता है या नहीं होता. अगर एक इंटीजर होता है देन वी विल से इंटीजर्स आर क्लोज्ड अंडर एडिशन. ठीक है, ये चेक करते हैं हम अपने एग्जाम्पल्स के थ्रू. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल वी हैव नंबर्स. वी हैव 10 when added to 3. The result is 13. 13 is an integer? Yes. Second number, we have minus 75. We have plus 21. The result is minus 54. Minus 54 is an integer? Yes, it is an integer. We have minus 11, minus 31. The result is minus 42. Minus 42 is an integer? Yes, it is an integer. So what we can say that sum of two integers is always an integer, or we can say that integers are closed under addition. Okay, we have understood closure under addition. Now the second part is closure under subtraction. Let's take some examples such as let's take 7 minus 9 equals to minus 2. 17 minus 21, which is equals to 38. Minus 18 minus 10, which is equals to minus 8. Minus 9 minus 12, which is equals to minus 21. So here minus 2, it is an integer. 38 is also an integer. Minus 8, integer. Minus 21, integer. All are integers. So we can say that integers are closed under subtraction. We have understood closure under addition and closure under subtraction. So lastly we can conclude as if we have A and B as integers, then A plus B is also an integer and A minus B is also an integer. So that's all. in this video. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Study Platter. Thank you.